Okay, welcome everyone to another exciting episode of podcast Pitch Girl. Pitch, pitch, pitch. I'm your host, Sagli Anastasia Debi, and today we have something really special for all the aspiring educator out there. We'll be diving into the power of teaching media and how the English education program at Universitas PGRI Semarang is setting future teachers up for success. Today we have two amazing guest stars who are professional teachers and proud alumni of the English education program at Universitas PGRI Semarang. They are here to share their incredible experience, talk about the importance of digital teaching media, and explain why this program is the perfect place to launch your career and as educator. So let's welcome our guests. First up, we have Chania Faradita, a dynamic teacher at elementary junior high school who has been shaping the minds of high school students for over 1 year. Welcome, Chania Faradita.
Thank you, Shirley. It's pleasure to be here today.
Our second guest, Nadia Najiha, is a passionate educator at Tadika Mesra Junior High School who is known for integrating innovative digital tools into the classroom. Welcome, Nadia Najiha.
Thank you so much, Shirley. I'm really excited to talk about this important topic with you today.
Okay, the first topic about the power of the English education program. Let's start by talking about your journey. Miss Chania and Nadia, how did the English education program at Universitas PGRI Semarang help you become the successful teacher you are today?
The program truly laid the foundation for my teacher career. One of the most significant aspects was the teaching media course. I remember we got hands-on experience with various digital tools like Kahoot, Canva, and Bamboozle, which really helped me bring my lesson to life. It gave me the confidence to use technology to engage my students and make learning more interactive.
I completely agree. The combination of territorial knowledge and practical skill really set the program apart. The focus on digital media was especially benefit as a teacher. I can now create a vibrant, engaging learning experience using tools like live worksheet and storyboard which were introduced to us during program. Their skills have definitely been a game changer in my teaching.
Okay, it sounds like the program really prepare you both to become educator who can embrace modern teaching method and technology. That's fantastic to hear. And the second topic about digital tools in teaching. Now, let's dive into the digital teaching tool you both mentioned. The days integrating technology in the classroom is essential. Can you share your talk on the 5K application you used during the program Kahoot, Canva, Bamboozle, Live Worksheet, and Storyboard? How have they influenced your teaching?
Okay, let me start with Kahoot. It's hands down one of the most fun way to keep students engaged while reinforcing what they've learned. I use it often to quizzes and review games, and the best part is that students really enjoy competing with each other. Of course, it's important to balance this with other activities so it doesn't feel repetitive.
Yes, I couldn't agree more. Canva has become my go-to for creating visual appealing lesson slides, worksheet, and infographics. It's so user-friendly and helps me make material that are both interactive and engaging. But I do find that it can take a little time to master, especially if you want to use advanced features.
Okay.
Absolutely, and Bamboozle is fantastic for collaborative learning activities. I love how students can work together to answer questions in a competitive yet fun environment. It's perfect for group activities where students can help each other and learn from one another.
I use a live worksheet for online assignment and instant feedback. It's especially useful for assignment that require critical thinking, as I can provide personalized feedback on the spot and there three storyboard. What I love about the storyboard is how to help students develop their creativity. They can write their own stories and even illustrate them, which foster both language skills and imagination.
Okay. The third topic about ranking and evaluating the tools. I have how enthusiastic you both are about these tools. Let's have a little fun now. If you had to rank these five tools in terms of effectiveness, which ones would you place at the top?
If I had to rank them, I'd say Kahoot takes the top spot. It's highly effective to review session and assessing student knowledge in the fun, engaging way. Then I'd place Canvas second because it's versatile for creating all kind of teacher materials. After that, Bamboozle as it encourage teamwork and activate participation. Storyboard will be fourth because although it's excellent for creative writing, it might not be as useful for all subjects. Life worksheet will come be less, but I still find it invaluable for feedback and assignment.
I would agree with that rank overall. However, I would swap storyboard and live worksheet position. Live worksheet is so practical and useful for me when I comes to assignment that require immediate assessment and feedback. I would definitely place in it higher, especially when considering it's useful in a virtual learning environment.
Okay. The last topic about advice for aspiring teacher. Before we wrap up, I'd love for you both to share some advice with our listening, especially those high school students who are considering a career in teaching. Why should they choose the English education program at Universitas PGRI Semarang, and how will it help them become successful teacher?
My advice is simple: choose a program that equips you with both the theory and the practical skills need to thrive as a teacher. The English education program at Universitas PGRI Semarang prepares you in ways you can imagine. The course, particularly teaching media, give you the tools to engage students and make learning exciting. It's a program that shapes educators who are ready for the challenge of modern teaching.
I could agree more. It's one thing to learn about a teaching, but it is another thing to be taught using the same methods and tools you'll use in your own classroom. The program does essentially that it prepares you to be both a knowledge and a teach savvy educator. If you are passionate about teaching and want to make a real important in the classroom, this is the place to be.
Okay, thank you so much, Chania and Nadia, for sharing your insight and experience with us today. It's clear that the English education program at Universitas PGRI Semarang is not just about learning to teach. It's about learning to teach in a way that's innovative, engaging, and effective for today's students. To all of you, to all of your listeners, if you're thinking about a career in education, I highly recommend considering the English education program at Universitas PGRI Semarang. is a program that truly prepares you for success, just like it did for our guest today. Thank you for tuning in to that podcast Pitch Girl. We hope you feel inspired and ready to take on the exciting world of teaching. Until next time, remember, a great teaching can change the world, one lesson at a time. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Sally.